If you have a large home, you already know that keeping every room clean can feel like a never-ending job. A basic robot vacuum might handle a small apartment, but once you're dealing with multiple bedrooms, long hallways, carpets, hard floors, and maybe even pets, you need something much more capable. In today's video, we're counting down the 7 best robot vacuums for large homes, starting from number 7 and working our way to our top pick. Let's get started. Number 7. Dreame L40 Ultra Gen 2. Starting off our list is the Dreame L40 Ultra Gen 2, and it's an impressive option if you want plenty of cleaning power without spending flagship money. It packs an incredible 25,000 pascals of suction, making it more than capable of lifting pet hair, dust, cereal, and even heavier debris from both hard floors and carpets. One feature that really stands out is its extendable side brush and swing-out mop, allowing it to clean right along walls, corners, and underneath furniture where many robot vacuums leave dirt behind. It also comes with a self-cleaning dock that washes and dries the mop pads while automatically emptying the dustbin, so maintenance stays to a minimum. Navigation is another strong point. The Smart Pathfinder system and 3D obstacle avoidance help it move confidently around shoes, cables, toys, and furniture without constantly getting stuck. Add in a battery capable of cleaning for over 3.5 hours in quiet mode, and you've got a robot that's well suited for large homes. The only downside is that the automatic cleaning solution module isn't included in the box and has to be purchased separately, but aside from that, it's a very capable all-around cleaner. Number 6. Roborock Crevo S Pro. Coming in at number 6 is the Roborock Crevo S Pro. This model focuses on making everyday cleaning as effortless as possible while delivering dependable performance across large living spaces. Its powerful suction handles everything from fine dust to pet hair, while dual spinning mop pads scrub hard floors effectively and automatically lift when carpets are detected. That's especially useful in homes where different flooring types are spread throughout the house. The multifunction dock takes care of emptying dust, washing mop pads, drying them with warm air, and refilling the water tank automatically. That means you can go weeks with very little manual attention. The intelligent mapping system creates accurate floor plans quickly, supports multiple levels, and lets you customize room-by-room cleaning schedules. For families looking for a reliable balance between performance, automation, and value, the Crevo S Pro is an easy recommendation. Number 5. ECOVACS Dbot T90 Pro Omni. At number 5, we have the ECOVACS Dbot T90 Pro Omni. This robot is built for homeowners who want premium cleaning with very little effort. Its strong suction power easily handles everyday debris, while the advanced mopping system tackles dried spills and stubborn dirt across hard floors. Where the T90 Pro Omni really shines is automation. The Omni Station empties dust, washes mop pads, dries them, and refills water automatically, reducing maintenance to almost nothing. Navigation is equally impressive. It moves confidently around furniture and household obstacles while creating detailed maps for multiple floors. If your home has several large rooms with a mix of flooring, this robot keeps cleaning organized and efficient instead of randomly wandering around. It may sit in the premium price range, but for busy households that want a hands-free experience, it's definitely worth considering. Number 4. Roborock Crevo S5V. Our number 4 pick is the Roborock Crevo S5V, a model that strikes an excellent balance between intelligent features and strong everyday performance. Its powerful suction keeps carpets and hard floors looking clean, while the dual spinning mop system handles everyday stains without soaking rugs thanks to automatic mop lifting. Roborock's navigation technology has always been among the best, and the S5V continues that tradition with fast mapping, accurate obstacle avoidance, and efficient cleaning paths that waste very little battery. The multifunction dock also keeps maintenance simple by automatically emptying the dustbin, washing mop pads, and drying them after every cleaning session. If you have a large home with pets, kids, or heavy daily foot traffic, the Crevo S5V is built to stay on top of the mess with very little supervision. Number 3. Eufy E25. Breaking into our top 3 is the Eufy E25. This robot offers an excellent combination of strong vacuuming performance, smart navigation, and practical features that make everyday cleaning much easier. Its suction is powerful enough for both carpets and hard flooring, while its mopping system helps remove light stains and everyday dirt. The intelligent navigation system maps rooms accurately, avoids common household obstacles, and follows efficient cleaning routes instead of wasting time. One thing many users appreciate is how simple the app experience is. Scheduling cleanings, creating no-go zones, and selecting individual rooms are all straightforward. The self-emptying dock further reduces maintenance, making the E25 a strong option for homeowners who want premium convenience without unnecessary complexity. Number 2. Roborock Saros 10R. Taking second place is the Roborock Saros 10R. This robot was designed specifically for homes that demand premium performance. It combines excellent suction power with advanced obstacle recognition, allowing it to clean confidently around cables, furniture, shoes, and everyday clutter. Its slim design also helps it reach underneath beds, sofas, and cabinets that taller robots often can't access. Combined with Roborock's highly accurate navigation system, the 10R cleans large homes quickly while covering every room efficiently. The multifunction dock handles dust collection, mop washing, drying, and water refilling automatically, while intelligent carpet detection ensures rugs stay dry by lifting the mop pads whenever needed. For homeowners who want cutting-edge technology and minimal maintenance, the Saros 10R delivers nearly everything you'd expect from a premium robot vacuum. Number 1. Roborock Saros 20. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Roborock Saros 20. If you're looking for one robot vacuum that does just about everything exceptionally well, this is it. The Saros 20 combines outstanding suction performance with intelligent navigation that maps large homes quickly and avoids obstacles with remarkable accuracy. Whether you're cleaning hardwood, tile, low-pile carpet, or thicker rugs, it adapts automatically to different floor types. Its advanced mopping system scrubs hard floors thoroughly while lifting clear of carpets, and the fully automated dock handles dust collection, mop washing, drying, and water management with very little input from you. Large battery capacity means it can cover expansive homes before needing to recharge, making it ideal for multi-room layouts and multi-story houses. Simply put, the Roborock Saros 20 delivers premium cleaning performance, intelligent automation, and outstanding convenience, making it our top choice for large homes this year. So that's our list of the 7 best robot vacuums for large homes. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, multiple floors, busy family life, or simply want to spend less time cleaning, there's a model here that fits almost every budget and need. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next roundup, and let us know in the comments which robot vacuum would you bring home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.